Hello everyone, welcome to Maths with Mr. J, and today I'm going to show you how to solve this exponential equation. It reads, find x. 32 raised to the power of s plus 2 equals to 8 raised to the power of s plus 3. Solution: 32 raised to the power of x plus 2 equal to 8 raised to the power of s plus 3. We have to express both sides in base 2. 32 we change to 2 raised to the power of 5 times x plus 2 equal to 8 in base 2 we change to 2 raised to the power of 3 into s plus 3. Now we compare both sides. If we compare both sides, base we cancel base, left with 5 into x plus 2 equal to 3 into x plus 3. Next step, we open the bracket or we expand. If we expand both sides, which means opening the bracket, we have 5 times x, which gives us 5x. 5 times 2 gives us plus 10, equal to 3 times x gives us 3x, and 3 times 3 gives us plus 9. Next step, we collect the like terms. When we collect like terms, meaning numbers to one side and the one with variable x or alphabet x to one side. That is 5x plus 3x crossing sign of equality becomes minus 3x equal to 9 plus 10 crossing sign of equality becomes minus 10. 5x minus 3x gives us 2x, while 9 minus 10 gives us minus 1. Next step, we divide both sides by the coefficient of x, which is 2. That is 2x all over 2 equals to minus 1 all over 2. 2 we cancel 2, left with x equals to minus 1 all over 2 as the answer. To check if our answer is correct, we write check. We write the original equation, which is 32 raised to the power of x plus 2 equal to 8 raised to the power of x plus 3. Put x equals to minus 1 over 2 in place of x. When we do that, we have 32 raised to the power of minus 1 over 2 plus 2 equal to 8 raised to the power of minus 1 over 2 plus 3. Then 32 raised to the power of minus 1 over 2 plus 2 will give us 1 1/2. When we remove half from 2, remaining 1 1/2. 1 1/2 is expressed as 3 over 2 equal to 8 raised to the power of, when we remove half from 3, we have 2 1/2. 2 1/2 is expressed as 5 over 2. Now, both sides we express in base 2, which is 2 raised to the power of 5, all raised to the power of 3 over 2, equal to 2 raised to the power of 3, all raised to the power of 5 over 2. In law of indices, we can multiply the powers. And when we do that, we have 2 raised to the power of 5 times 3 gives us 15 all over 2 equal to, when we multiply the power of the right hand side, we have 3 times 5 gives us 2 raised to the power of 15 all over 2. If we compare both sides, they are equal, meaning our answer is correct. If this helped, please subscribe, like, and share. Thank you.